Okay, I'm above ground for math today. I'm not sitting in my basement today. I need to hear the birdies and see the sunshine. So, this is your math lesson for 8.3, and it's called Factors of Counting Numbers. Factors of Counting Numbers. Now, we've talked about factors before, and so I'm going to refresh your memory a little bit with mental math. So grab some scratch paper because you're going to figure out the answers to these. And you might know some of them already. So go ahead and grab some scratch paper. Okay, here's your first one. Okay, and if you recall in math, multiplication, these two numbers are the factors and this is the product. This question mark means the unknown number. So go ahead and figure out what is the other factor that's missing. One of the factors is 2. Okay? Think you've got it? Here's the answer. 2 times 5 equals 10. So what we would say about this in talking about factors is that 2 and 5 are factors of the number 10. So if I asked you, what are some factors of the number 10? You could say 2 and 5, Mrs. Frank. Okay, let's try another unknown number or unknown factor. Okay. So now I know this freaks you out when I move the equal sign here, but it doesn't matter if it's here or here. 18 is equal to, or this is equal to 18. So I need the factor that's missing. One of the factors is 9. So what other factor times 9 gives you 18? Figure it out? I'm going to reveal. Some of you know it. Okay, so the other factor is 2. So if I were to say to you, tell me 2 factors of 18, you could say 2 and 9. You could also say 1 and 18. Any two numbers that are multiplied by each other to get the product of 18. Another one. Unknown factor. One factor is 3. Product is 30. You know this one. Okay, so 2 factors of 30, 3 and 10. How about 1 and 30? How about 5 and 6? You know that one, 5 times 6. How about 3 times, oh, I did 3 times 10. What else was I thinking of? 15 times 2 would work. Okay, another one. I know this is just hard for you, isn't it? Not too bad today. Especially if you've practiced your multiplication. What factor times 3? 3 and, you know this one. 2 is the other factor. Also could do 1 times 6. But that's it for 6. Those are the only factors for 6. Smaller numbers don't have as many factors. Eight is one factor. The other factor is factors of 64. Actually, it's the same thing on that one. You could do 1 times 64. You could do 2 times 32. Those are factors also. So it's any multiplication that will equal 64. We'll do one more. Okay. Uh-oh, I'm going to freak you out again. Put the equals at the beginning. Yeah, I know. I'm not freaking you out anymore. Okay. The product is 36. The factors of 36 are 4 and 9. 9 and 4 are factors of 36. Okay, so We also know that we can find the factors by using, let's see if we had that last sentence, 36 equals something times 4. 36 equals 4 times something. And don't freak out because this is at the beginning. It doesn't matter. We could move this to the end and then it would look like you've always seen it. Now we're going to do 2 division to do the fact family. So you remember you can flip over to division. 36 divided by the unknown number equals 4. 36 divided by 4 equals the unknown number. So hopefully somewhere the fact family can help you. Now another thing that can help you is something I always tell you not to use, but in this case we're going to look up factors. So if I had the answer of 36, for example, on this like we just did, and I wanted to find factors of 36, I could use this multiplication table. And the products are all in the middle, remember, and the factors are on the sides. So let me see if I can find 36 backwards. I might have to turn it around for a second. Yeah, okay, there's one right there. 36. So I know the factors are 6 and 6. Awesome. Okay. Let's see, any other 36? Oh, here's a 36 down here. 9 and 4. Any more 36s? Yep, right here. Oh, again, it's 9 and 4. But they don't have 2 times 18 on here. The factors don't get that big on this chart. But if it kept going, we could do 18 times 2. 36 should be in the grid down there for that. So you can use this multiplication table. Now let's say you have a division sentence and it says 36 divided by 4. Well, then I'd find the factor of 4 and go across until I find the product of 36. 4, I know 4 is one of the factors. The product is 36. So if I go up here, I can find the other factor, 9. Okay, so you can use this table in your study of factors. That's okay with me. Okay, so in looking at your assignment today, we're going to go ahead and do Math Journal page 259, and up at the top it has, for each problem, fill in the blanks with different factor pairs that make the number sentences true. So don't put the same numbers here that you're putting here. Don't even rearrange them. I want different factors for 8 here and different ones than this on this one. So you're doing factors of 8, 18, 27, 36, 45. All right. Then you have a word problem. And remember, you ask yourself, what do I know? What do I want to know? What do I need to find out? And then make a plan of how you're going to do it. Let me know if you have any questions about the Kim family. Also, try this. Ooh, 200 and 720. But remember, you know extended facts, so you could use factors kind of that are just 20 and just factors of 72, and then just make sure you have enough zeros on them. So keep that in mind. You're smarter than you might think you are. Math Journal, page 260. Okay. Measuring by quarter inch. Extended facts are number 2. Fractions on a number line, 2 different fraction. Partition the rectangle below into sixths. Shade it in a different way to match the fractions you wrote in problem 2. Whoops, problem 4, sorry. So it's got to look different than these guys. You have to shade it a different way. And it's only one that you have to do there. The other thing I would like you to do is play on your Everyday Math app. I want you to play Multiplication Bingo to practice your multiplication facts. That will help you too to know these a little quicker, know your factors quicker. It is under the Grade 3 tab. So it's Grade 3 on top, and it'll say Bingo. Tap on Bingo, and you should get to Multiplication Bingo. Okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions. Okay, have a good day.